really extremely windy out here. Tough time kayaking. I just wanted to go over this lure right here. This is H20X. I think it's H20X. It's a 3-inch mullet. It's got a rubber texture to it. This is what I got the trout on. Unfortunately, the trout swallowed it. But bringing this home for dinner. It's not a bad trade-off. I didn't want to keep it. I already have fish, but I'm going to eat him tonight so he doesn't go to waste. But yeah, we went out. We tried our best. I hooked a big snook and didn't fight right away, but then it took off like a bat out of hell and ended up going underneath the mangroves. I couldn't get it out. It ended up breaking me off, but got one good fish for today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, keep us going. I enjoy showing you guys what I do. Tight lines.
So whose thought is